The real truth about selling on TikTok Shop, nobody tells you this. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made $300 while you were sleeping. No boss, no alarm, just money showing up because you listed some products on TikTok Shop. That's what people are out here claiming. And honestly, it sounds amazing. But here's what nobody actually tells you. TikTok Shop is real. The money is real. But the path to getting there is nothing like what you see on your For You page. So let's actually break it down. What is TikTok Shop? How does it work? What does it cost to start? And most importantly, is it actually worth your time? TikTok Shop is basically Amazon, but built inside TikTok. You list products, people see them while scrolling, they buy without ever leaving the app. It sounds simple because the buying part is simple. The selling part, that's a different story. There are two ways to make money on TikTok Shop. Option 1, you sell your own products. You source something, list it, and either ship it yourself or use their fulfillment service. Option 2, you become an affiliate. You promote other people's products in your videos and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Most beginners go the affiliate route because you don't need to buy any inventory up front. Sounds perfect, right? Here's the reality check. To even get approved as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you need at least 1,000 followers. So if you're starting from zero, you have homework to do before you make a single dollar. And even if you hit that threshold, making money as an affiliate means making videos. Lots of them. We're talking posting every single day, testing different products, figuring out what the TikTok algorithm actually wants to push. Most people post 10 videos and give up. The ones making real money are on video 50, 60, 100. Now let's talk numbers, the real ones. Affiliate commissions on TikTok Shop range from about 5% to 20% depending on the product. So if you sell a $30 product at 10% commission, you made $3. You need to sell a lot of $30 products to hit that $300 dream. The people you see showing big screenshots, they're usually selling higher ticket items, have a big following already, or they've been doing this for 6 to 12 months consistently. Startup costs, if you're going the affiliate route, basically zero. Just your time and your phone. If you're selling your own products, you're looking at inventory costs, packaging, and potentially TikTok's fulfillment fees. Budget at least $200 to $500 to test properly. So who is TikTok Shop actually good for? It's great for you if you're already comfortable making short videos, if you're patient enough to play a long game, or if you already have a product you want to sell and an audience to sell it to. It's probably not for you if you hate being on camera, if you need money this week, or if you're expecting passive income from day one. There is nothing passive about this in the beginning. The honest verdict. TikTok Shop is a real opportunity, but it's not a shortcut. It's a content creation business that happens to have a shop attached to it. If you're willing to put in the reps, it can absolutely pay off. If you're looking for easy money, keep scrolling. If you want to see more honest breakdowns of side hustles that are actually worth your time, subscribe. Next video, we're getting into one that requires 0 followers and 0 inventory. See you there.